Have you ever wondered how investors make money when stock prices fall? The answer to that intriguing question lies in a strategy known as short selling. Short selling is an investment strategy employed to profit from a decline in the price of a security, usually stocks. It's a fascinating process that involves borrowing a security from a broker-dealer and selling it on the open market, with the hope of repurchasing it later at a lower price. The profit potential is rooted in the price difference between the initial sale and the subsequent repurchase. Sounds interesting, right? So, how does short selling work? First, the investor kicks off a short position by borrowing shares from a broker-dealer. It's important to note that this loan often comes with interest charges. Next, the borrowed shares are sold on the open market at the current price. Then, to close the short position, the investor repurchases the same number of shares initially borrowed. Ideally, this repurchase happens at a lower price than the original sale. Finally, the repurchased shares are returned to the lender, wrapping up the transaction. The profit or loss is the difference between the sale price and the repurchase price, minus any interest or fees incurred. However, before diving headfirst into short selling, there are a few key considerations to take into account. First off, the risk profile. Short selling carries inherent risks. Unlike traditional long positions where losses are capped at the initial investment, short selling exposes investors to potentially unlimited losses if the price of the security rises. Secondly, short selling often involves a margin account, which means borrowing money from the broker to finance the transaction. This can magnify both potential gains and losses. Lastly, short selling can influence market dynamics, especially for heavily shorted stocks. A surge in short covering can exacerbate price increases. But short selling isn't just about profiting from anticipated price declines. It can also be used for hedging and creating market-neutral positions, aiming to profit from relative price movements between securities. In conclusion, short selling is a sophisticated investment strategy requiring careful analysis and risk management. It's crucial for investors to fully understand the mechanics, risks, and potential rewards before engaging in short selling activities. So, the next time you see a stock price falling, remember, someone might be making a profit from it.